Well, happy Sunday, folks. I'm doing a quick video here. This is our Iharvest. I just want you to get an idea of how much healthy green product can be grown. It took a couple of weeks to get this up, but this is all super healthy, for the most part, organic greens. Yes, it's grown with hydroponic chemicals, and I'll show you those. Use Maxi Grow. Now, does that make it unhealthy? I don't think so. I'm showing you this because I'm getting ready to do a video on a small setup that we're getting from the same Iharvest company. It's called the Iharvest. And for those who don't have a lot of space, but would like to have, let's say, a small space, you could grow herbs or something like that in that space. But everything is on a timer or on a Wi-Fi plug, which I set up a timer on my phone. So it's super easy. The chemicals and the water are kept down here below. I'm able to maintain the pH and the chemical level, proper level, with this little bad boy. The pump is in the basin. This is our second plus year using this. As you can see, there's only two of us. It grows more than we can typically eat. And we've had a lot of success with it. So I just wanted you to see this because I'm going to be showing you a Iharvest next.